Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Claude account locked issue. First, check your email for any messages from Claude explaining why your account was locked. Common reasons include multiple failed login attempts or suspicious activity. Next, follow the instructions in the email to verify your identity. You may also need to reset your password and submit the identification documents. If you did not receive an email or not unlock the account, contact call support from the official website. Provide your account details and explain the issue clearly. Once your information is verified, your account will be unlocked and you can log in normally. That's how you fix the cloud account issue locked.